everyone, I am Prakriti Khandelwal from GH Rai Suni College of Commerce, Science and Technology, Nagpur. And I am going to tell you something about current youth power and their role in nation building. Youths play a very important role in development as well as the progress of a particular nation, as they constitute a majority portion of the world's population. The efforts of youth can be helped in rapid increase and growth of our country, as they are the building block of our country. They contribute to social as well as the economical aspects of our country. Now, you all are thinking that what is nation building? Let me explain you. Nation building is a process of engaging all the citizens to develop their own particular nation, because the future as well as the present of a country is in the hand of youth. In developing a country, the contribution of youth is very important. As I have mentioned above, they are the building block of our country. The age between 15 to 24, which we called as youth, at that time very creative and innovative ideas pop up in the mind of youth, which we can help in the developing countries to develop at a rapid speed. The youths contribute their energy, or we can say that their skills, through many different areas. They work as engineers, they work as teachers, they work as administrators, or we can say they work in so many areas to contribute their role for the development of their nation. The energy level and the contribution made by the youth can make them take risks and achieve certain goals and objectives through their personal domains. The youth in nation create a productive as well as the economical and social growth of a nation. These role of a youth can make you familiar that what are the contributions a youth made to develop their own nation and what are the skills they require to do so. As 25%, such a big number. I repeat, 25% of a total world's population is youth. So the contribution of such a big number of people in developing a nation is very important, and we can't ignore that. But the only thing they knew and they want is that a particular platform and to showcase their talent. Now, what are the key elements that require to develop and to progress our country? There are the three key elements. The first one is education, the second one is employment, and the third one is empowerment. The first one, education. A nation develops at a steady pace when the education of that country is at right place and it is required at a particular time. But it is a drawback for our country that a majority portion of our youth are illiterate and they even don't know how to write. This is a drawback of our country and it hinders the growth of our country, because illiterate youths are the drawback and the blocks for our growth. For this, government should take strict action and should make policies for the youths to get educated, because they are the future ones of our developing nation. The next one, providing employment to unemployed people is very important, because unemployment is also a hindrance to our growth of our nation. Thirdly, it is vital to empower the youth and to take charge for their life, because they should get their right and involve them in the constitution of our nation and should be help our country to develop in a particular process. We should provide them employment opportunities according to their, according to their potential of work. We should avoid our youth to involve in the violence and to involve in a bad activities, because it will again a drawback for our country and it will come back and our country will come back to their original position. So, at last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that the power of youth should be used wisely for the progress of a nation. It is important to frame policies which aims at ensuring our youth to usher better tomorrow and a brighter future. Thank you.